Hey there. Most contractors know whether the year was good. Far fewer can tell you which jobs made money and which ones quietly ate the margin. Let me walk you through the contractor and service provider job tracker, tab by tab. Start on the dashboard. Active jobs, completed revenue, average margin, your quote conversion rate, and what's still unpaid. All at a glance. Quotes and estimates logs every bid you send and whether it was accepted, declined, or expired, so you learn your real win rate. Active jobs is your working pipeline, client, value, status, and payment state, and it pulls in material and labor costs automatically. The materials tab records what you bought for each job, tagged by job number, so the cost lands where it belongs. The labor log captures hours and rates per job, the number most contractors guess at and get wrong. Job profitability is the payoff tab. Quote, value minus materials minus labor per job, so you can see which work is actually worth taking. The client database keeps your customers straight with how many jobs each has given you and what they've spent. The warranty tracker records what's still under warranty and when it expires, so a callback doesn't catch you out. The revenue tracker gives you the monthly view of money in against your targets. And the equipment log tracks your tools, their service dates, and their value for both maintenance and depreciation. That's the whole workbook. Grab your copy from the link below, and if you get stuck, just message me. Thanks for watching.